Want to know how to create a calculator using Claude AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can use Claude for coding and generate calculator. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Claude AI application or the website, and it should be under this interface right here. Now you can just simply select new chat on the top left side, and now once you're here, you should be under the chat box. Now we need a simple prompt for this. So I have just simply typed in this prompt for you, and you can just simply copy this code or copy this prompt, and you can also change your variation of your AI before doing it, and then just simply select enter. So now once you have selected enter, and now it should start working on your clean C# console calculator. You can also change the language as you want, and it will show you codes right here. Then later you can also download this simple code as a file or copy it as well, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So as you can see right here, it should give you just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.